Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and I'm back with a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about some important books which are actually going to change a lot of things in your life in 2022. So these books are really useful. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And the first book in this list is Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach. And the best part about this book is inspirational fiction story, and this story actually will teach you a lot of things which will help you to find your passion and how to follow your passion so that you can become a very successful person. So yeah, it will take around 2 to 3 hours to finish the whole book, because you will actually enjoy the whole reading just because of the story. And the next book is The Rudest Book Ever by शताफ कंगवार. अगर आप शताफ कंगवार को YouTube पे फॉलो करते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा कि उनका कंटेंट कितना अमेजिंग होता है, एकदम प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं. और इस बुक में भी उन्होंने एकदम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड लैंग्वेज यूज़ करी है. वो सारी बातों के बारे में लिखा जो हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में अपनी हम उसको देखते हैं, एकदम प्रैक्टिकल तरीके से उसको एज इट इज़ लिखा हुआ है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इस बुक की सबसे अच्छी चीज़ जो मुझे लगी है, दिस बुक एक्चुअली विल टीच यू हाउ टू इंक्रीज योर सेल्फ वर्थ एंड हाउ टू स्टॉप प्लीजिंग पीपल. बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनकी खुशी हमेशा दूसरों की खुशी पर डिपेंड करती है. सो इस बुक में आपको एक्चुअल में सीखने को मिलेगा कि कैसे आप अपने आप को रिस्पेक्ट देना सीखें, कैसे अपने आप को प्यार करना सीखें. बिकॉज जब अगर आप खुद को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देंगे, देन हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम समवन दैट पर्सन विल गिव यू रिस्पेक्ट. एंड इफ़ यू कांट लव योर सेल्फ, देन हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम समवन दैट पर्सन इज़ गोइंग टू लव यू. सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो एकदम प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ों के बारे में उन्होंने बात करी है. बहुत ही अमेजिंग बुक है. ट्रस्ट मी, ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट हैज़ रिटन रियली ऑसम. एंड सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, अगर आपका रिसेंटली ब्रेकअप हुआ है और आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपकी लाइफ एकदम ख़त्म हो गई, आपकी लाइफ में कुछ बचा ही नहीं है, देन यू मस्ट read this book at least once. And the next book is Atomic Habits by James Keller, and it is one of the best books on habits, because this book actually will teach you how to remove your bad habits and how to form some new good habits just by following some particular strategy and just by taking some small steps every day. And the next book is The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, and this book actually will help you to enhance your finances and also will teach you a lot of things which actually will improve a lot of areas in your life. And the next book is Who Will Cry When You Die, and this book is actually best for to keep your mind calm and positive, especially in that situation when you actually feel like frustrated, tensed and stressed without any particular reason. The Compound Effect by Darren. This book actually will teach you how to take some small steps every day and become a very consistent person so that you can achieve massive results, massive success in your life. Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Of course, one of the best books on time management. So this book actually will teach you how to become a more productive person, how to manage your time well. And actually this book really awesome to master your time management skills. And the next one is The 5 Love Languages, and this book is best to improve your love relationships. Next one is Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins, one of the best book for mental toughness. And actually this book will teach you how to become a mentally strong person, how to become a toughest person. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.